Today we're going to be having a bit of a third-person view inside the cockpit, where I'm going to be pointing out some of the metal struts I put in, why they're needed, and, well, how it's helping out. So, come in close and we'll take a look. You've got the right arm Aldo right here, which used to twist around a lot, but I've added some struts to it so it doesn't move around so much, and a metal beam that goes across, which keeps it in position, keeps it from floating too far up. And we'll just back off, and I can show you it in action. And of course, the switch right here and there you go. And I've also done the same on the other side. Don't need to demonstrate that to you. And I've also added a backrest to the mech. I just need to bolt it in and maybe put in some seat belts, so you know, actually a bit of a feeling of safety. So next time I'm going to be talking about how I manufactured those metal struts, because having aligned holes on PVC is bad enough, never mind metal trying to drill through metal and the poles rolling away. But I have a nice rig I've made that makes it a lot easier and might actually lead to metal use arm frames. You know, like this, but made of metal. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe and experiment with metal struts today. Bye bye.